welcome to Park Meadows Christian Play School. I'm Mrs. Wu.
I'm Mrs. Moradell. Come check out our room. Over here in the space that we're in is our kitchen area and our dramatic play area. Every day when you come to preschool, you'll get to bring your lunch kit with your snacks and your water bottle. You'll put it in your basket that has your name on it when you come in. We also have a special helper that is our line leader of the day every day, and also you get to feed the fish in the morning.
And they're hungry.
We hope to explore some of the things that God created in this world in our science play area each day.
And over in this corner, we have our comfy circle area where we have mats for each student. We read, we talk to God, we go over the calendar, and you even get a dressed weather bear.
We can't wait to build towers and buildings with our blocks and our cars in our building area. And don't forget about those races.
Yes, I love the races.
Every day we'll have Play-Doh and opportunities to create and explore with different art options.
And just down the hall, we have a huge gym where we can use a parachute, we can scooter, run, play games. It's gonna be lots of fun.
So fun. We can't wait to see you soon.
See you soon.